Hello everyone, my name is Anup and today I am going to talk about a presentation on human resources and PMKVY means Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. So it will take 5 minutes and I will highlight some few points. So basically question is what is human resource? So like I took example like a teacher, he teach you so that he teach the students so that they are human resource. As like a doctor, so doctor treatment of the patient so that they are human resource. So question is what is resources? So resources means land, air, water. These are resource to requirement of human. The human use to this land, air, water. So distribution of population change. So distribution of population change. So in distribution population change, as you know that Asia and Africa are most populated area, and 90% more people are living only on 30% land, and in 60% population were populated on 10 countries like India, China, Pakistan, and Indonesia, and etc. etc. Okay, factor affecting the population change. Why the factor affecting the population change? First is topography. So topography means plain area. In plain area, to people refer to live. And second one is climate, like a desert and like a polar region. Desert is a hottest place, so people not refer to them, live on them. And polar region, they are coldest area, so people do not refer to them. So in climate was only on not hot and not cold, so people referred easily. And people easily refer to soil. If fertile soil to agriculture was grown, and if in fourth is water, to requirement of agriculture of water, and people also requirement of water. So basically let's we talk about PMKVY means Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. Means HMD, yani human means human resource development. In Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana in 2015 started by PM, our Prime Minister of Pradhan Mantri. And in 2015 they said to give people on skill development. In skill development only on young people, to skill the people used to in your life, like a mechanical, how to made of engines. So people use their skill to Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana, so that they are skilled, so that they easily made of engines, and in that their poverty was increased, and growth of income growth of planet is increased. And let's talk about on population change. Okay, so why the population changes? Question is why the population changes. So population changes easily on the birth rate. In 1800 the population was increased, and because in India 2023 the population increased. Why? Because in 2020 and the population India of 139 something, and in population change because the death rate increase, and because the birth rate increase and death rate decrease. And population change on the migration. So question is what is migration? The people goes to the other country, so that is called migration. And the people like India, a people goes to Australia, so that they are migration, and they Australia to live, so that they Australia are called to in person of immigrants. So thank you for listening. Now the session was complete for discussion. I hope you enjoy this video, and like, share, and subscribe. And I will meet you on tomorrow next presentation. Thank you.